Wenzhou Valve and Fittings Company Limited is a modern enterprise integrating scientific research and production. It is the first company in Wenzhou that engages in blank forging to produce finished sanitary valve and pipe fittings, sanitary elbow, sanitary T, sanitary large and small heads, reducers, sanitary quick fittings, sanitary clamp components, sanitary ball valves, butterfly valves, check valves, diaphragm valves, sanitary filters, sanitary steel pipes and other products. The connection methods are divided into threaded, welding type, clamp type, compression type and flange type. Complete varieties, various specifications, beautiful appearance, stable performance. Can produce high-precision sanitary stainless steel fluid equipment, pumps, valves. Pipe fittings and non-standard products can also be processed and manufactured according to user requirements. With the joint efforts of scientific researchers, the company has introduced international advanced CNC machine tools and processing and testing equipment, specializing in the production of sanitary stainless steel fluid equipment, valves, and pipeline connection products. DIN, IDF, SMS, 3A, etc. The products are widely used in the fields of food, pharmacy, dairy products, beer, beverages, and fine chemicals. And all technical requirements have reached the international leading level. It is sold in Europe, America, and Southeast Asia with good quality and reliable quality. It promises 3 guarantees and is deeply trusted by customers.